Hello everyone, welcome to my channel FoodyMomm. I hope all of you are doing good. So today's video is regarding a baby food product, which is this one. These are Farley's Rusks. So I'll be reviewing these ones. I have been using them since a long time, a really long time, and I really love them. So I thought, why not share it with my subscriber, with my FoodyMomm community, and I really like it, and I want you also to give it to your baby. And you can give it to all ages, but you can start from like 4 to 6 months onwards, and these are really good ones. I can vouch on them. They are the best rusk I have seen, I have eaten. I myself eat sometime when I crave for sugary biscuits or cookies or something like that. They are packed with 7 key vitamins, minerals including iron and calcium. These are the 2 packs which I am having it right now. This one is original. This is the original Farley's Rusk, and this one is reduced sugar. Like if you fear that your baby might have a tooth decay or his or her weight might get on the higher side, then you can give this one to your baby because it has reduced sugar. Also on the other side they have written that rusks are a great way to gradually introduce your baby to solid foods. Simply crush in a bowl and mix with your baby's usual milk to form puree for first cereal, or mix with fruit puree, custard or yogurt for yummy dessert, or great as a delicious finger food to encourage self-feeding, hand-eye coordination, biting and chewing as your baby develops. So these ones are really good ones. Same thing has been told over here, and this comes in a packaging of, let me tell you, 150 gram, which is over here, and you get it for about a pound and a half, 1.5 pounds. And they are also showing the nutritional table, which is over here. They are telling about the ingredients, which are wheat flour, sugar, palm oil, calcium carbonate, emulsifiers are there, niacin, iron, thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin A, D, all that it has. And it contains gluten, so make sure if your baby has allergy regarding gluten, do not give to your baby because gluten might harm him or her. And remember to brush teeth regularly. They are also telling the safety at meals time, and use as a part of varied weaning diet. So it's not a complete diet, just use it as a part of weaning diet. The same information is given on this pack also. And the other thing that they are telling is that Farley's Rusks have been loved by mums and babies for generations. Experts in baking rusk for babies and toddlers. No artificial colors, flavors or preservative. One rusk provides 20% of your baby's daily iron requirement. No GM ingredients, suitable for vegetarians. Each rusk is lovingly baked using baby grade ingredients. So I'm showing you the size of they come in a packaging of this, a silver paper, and there are about 10 rusks in each pack. So one rusk is about 15p. So they come like this, a size of my palm. So the size of the rusk is this much. So you can give 1 or 2 to your baby, and they are really sweet. And if you don't wish to give a sweeter one to your baby, you can go for the reduced one, which is over here, as I told you just now. And this one is also of the same kind. Let me show it to you. And you can carry it while you are traveling, or you are going somewhere out and you cannot prepare milk, or you cannot feed your baby, then you can take him along. So the reduced sugar one also comes like this. It's also a size of my palm. So they are also really good, and I have kept these 2 packs, and it's really to close from the top so that they remain fresh. So it's like this. So I hope you like today's video regarding the review of Farley's Rusks. Do give to your baby. They are really amazing and full of nutrients. Nothing is better than the home cooked food, but these foods come handy when we are in a hurry or we are going somewhere out on a traveling. And I hope you like my today's video. Do subscribe the channel if you like it, and if you will not subscribe it, then you might miss some of the yummy recipes by me or product reviews by me. So I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye.